Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Watch FE has leaked today in a pretty significant way, with official-looking images as well as full specs. So let's dive right in. Over the past few months, it was rumored that Samsung will launch the Galaxy Watch FE, and it could be a rebranded version of the Galaxy Watch 4. Now, its design and features have leaked, and it is apparent that it is indeed a rebranded Galaxy Watch 4. The Galaxy Watch FE will likely be available in shades of black, blue, and pink colors. It has two buttons on the right side, similar to existing Galaxy Watches. The Galaxy Watch FE is tipped to be available in 40mm size and will feature a 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display, similar to the display size of the Google Pixel Watch. It has the Exynos W920 dual-core processor, 1.5GB RAM, and 16GB internal storage. It runs Wear OS 4-based One UI 5 watch software. It has GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and NFC. It also reportedly features an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, BIA sensor, ECG, gyro, and a heart rate monitor. The smartwatch is tipped to pack a 247 mAh battery like the Galaxy Watch 4. The tipster says the watch will offer up to 30 hours of battery life with magnetic wireless charging. The Galaxy Watch FE is also said to feature an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, up to 50 m. The upcoming Galaxy Watch FE is tipped to be compatible with Android phones with Android 11 OS or higher OS. Its support pages have already gone live in North America and the UK. Samsung could unveil the Galaxy Watch FE official during its next Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event on July 10, 2024. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.